In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add deviation backtester in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the platform for the indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar above your candles. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the full indicator and strategy menu, which is where you can access built-in tools, community scripts, and your own saved indicators. When the indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, especially if you use a lot of tools. Click directly into that search box, so your cursor is active there and your keyboard input goes into the search field. Now start typing deviation backtester into the search box. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below. Take your time to type it correctly so you don't miss it. You should see the deviation backtester appear in the results list once you've typed enough of the name. If there are multiple scripts with similar names, hover over them and check that you're selecting the one that matches what you need. When you see deviation backtester, click on it once. The moment you click it, TradingView will automatically add the deviation backtester to your active chart. You'll see new visuals or labels appear on the chart area depending on how this particular tool displays its data. If nothing seems to change, zoom out or move the chart a bit to make sure you're viewing the area where it's plotting. You can also check the top left of your chart where indicators are listed to confirm it has been added. From here, you can open the settings for the deviation backtester by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. This is where you can fine-tune inputs like look back periods, deviation levels, or any custom options the script offers. Adjusting these settings helps you match the backtester to your trading style and the specific market you're analyzing. If you're not already on the Pro plan and you want smoother access to more indicators and tools on your charts, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for TradingView Pro. It's a simple way to unlock additional features while supporting the channel at the same time. And that's all you need to do to add the deviation backtester to your TradingView Pro charts.